Dear student, now we have to study exercise 6.1, in which question is given that two lines AB and CD intersect each other at O such that angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree, angle BOD equal to 40 degree. Then have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. To find this, we have, since ray OC and OE stand on AB, on line AB, OC and OE are two rays stands on AB at O. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equal to 180 degree. Now we have given angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. So angle COE equal to 180 minus 70, that is equal to 110 degree. COE equal to 110 degree. Again, AB and CD intersect each other at O. Therefore, vertically opposite angle AOC equal to angle BOD, that is equal to 40 degree. Means angle AOC equal to 40 degree. Now AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. Therefore, by subtracting we get angle BOE equal to 70 minus 40 degree, that is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle BOE equal to 30 degree. Now, reflex angle COE equal to 360 minus COE, that is equal to 250 degree. कंप्लीट एंगल कितना होता है? 360 डिग्री का होता है, और उसमें से COE घटा देंगे 110 डिग्री, तो कितना बच जाएगा? 250 डिग्री. यानी रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE हो गया 250 डिग्री. अब दूसरा प्रॉब्लम. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज दैट MN and XY intersect each other at O such that angle XOM equal to B, MOP equal to A, and angle POY equal to 90 degree. Then have to find value of ABC. To find the value of ABC, we have line XY intersect MN at O such that A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, and angle POY equal to 90 degree. Since angle POY equal to 90 degree and XOY is a straight line, therefore angle BOX is also 90 degree. That means A plus B equal to 90 degree, which is in the ratio of 2 is to 3. Now let A equal to 2x and B equal to 3x. We get angle XOM plus angle MOP plus angle POY equal to 180 degree. Means B plus A plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 3x plus 2x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree, or 5x equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90 degree, or x equal to 90 by 5 equal to 18 degree. Now we have get x equal to 18 degree and a equal to 2x. Therefore, a equal to 36 degree and b equal to 3x. Therefore, b equal to 54 degree. Now, MON is a straight line and OX extends on edge. Therefore, B plus C equal to 180 degree. We have get B equal to 54 degree. So, B plus C equal to 180. Therefore, C equal to 180 minus B, that is equal to 180 minus 54 degree, that is equal to 126 degree. Thus, we get A equal to 36 degree, B equal to 54 degree and C equal to 126 degree. Hence, we get value of A, B, C. Now, in question 5, we have given that POQ is a straight line and OS and OR two rays such that OR perpendicular to PQ. Then have to prove that angle ROS equal to half angle QOS minus POS. Since OR perpendicular to PQ, therefore angle POR plus angle QOR equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle POR equal to angle QOR equal to 90 degree. Now, angle QOS can be written as angle QOR plus angle ROS, and angle POS can be written as angle POR minus angle ROS. Now, subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get that angle QOS minus angle POS equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS minus angle POR minus angle ROS. On removing bracket, we get angle QOR plus angle ROS minus angle POR प्लस एंगल ROS. यहाँ माइनस साइन है इसलिए ये प्लस हो जाएगा. और अब ये QOR और POR क्या है, 90 डिग्री है. एक प्लस है एक माइनस है, दोनों एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर दिया तो हो गया 2ROS. और ROS निकालेंगे तो हो जाएगा हाफ QOS माइनस POS. इस प्रकार ये इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल है और ये साबित हो गया. Dear student, now one very important problem from out of exercise, that is prove that bisector of the line linear pair of angles form a right angle. We have given a pair of linear pair angles and have to prove that their bisector form a right angle. Here we have given linear pair angle AOB, AOC and BOC, and their bisector is OD and OE. Then have to prove angle DOE equal to 90 degree. We know that AOB is a straight line and OC stands on it such that linear pair angle AOC and BOC are formed. We have read that they are supplementary. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Now, since OD and OE are bisector of these linear pair angles, therefore, half of angle AOC plus half of angle BOC equal to half of 180 degree. That means half of AOC equal to DOC and half of BOC equal to angle COE equal to 90 degree. Therefore, DOC plus angle EOC equal to 90 degree. That means angle DOE equal to 90 degree. Angle DOE equal to 90 degree.